Good morning, children. We are going to discuss about the question answers in the page number 98, where the first exercise is on true and false. State whether the following statements are true or false. Number 1. When you click on the insert button, a row is inserted in a spreadsheet. This statement is false. Why? Because first you have to select either the rows or columns and then only you have to click on insert. So that's the reason this is a false answer. Question number 2, the row height changes automatically when the size of the text increases. It's a false. Question number 3, by default the row height or column width is measured in points. True. Question number 4, you can delete rows but not the columns in a spreadsheet. False. Copy and paste allows making duplicate copy of the cell range of cell. True. Once column width is set, it cannot be changed in a spreadsheet. False. So we finished here the true and false. Let's move into the next one. Fill in the blanks. 1. Dash means modifying, rectifying in a spreadsheet. It's called editing. When two or more cells are selected, it is called range. When you click on delete sheet rows under delete option, the selected range gets deleted. Selected range get deleted. Next, question number 4. Row height option is available under format button in the ribbon. Next one, when you click on column under insert, new column is inserted. Then the blank space, the answer is column. Dash key can be used to remove the cell content. It's a delete key can be used for removing the cell content. In a cell, every mathematical formula task must begin with a dash sign. It is equal to sign. Now we move to the name the following part 3. Question number 1. 3 tasks under editing a worksheet. You can insert rows and columns. Number B, you can cut, paste and copy paste. Number C, you can automatically fill the data, so autofill options. Question number 2, let's ask for the shortcut key. Cut, Control X, paste, Control V. Second option. B, copy, Control C, paste is always Control V. Now I am moving towards the subjective question. Question number 1, write the short notes, cut and paste. So when you cut, what happens? It removes the data from a source location and it paste or put it back in a target location or target cell. So what happens when you get the data? Source may be a cell, source may be a range of cell. So we collect the data from a source and then we paste it into the cell or in a target range of cell. Question number 2, autofill. Autofill automatically fill a series of data according to the value entered in a source cell. So if I enter in a source, examples in a source cell, if you enter Monday and you copy this value into the target cells, the next cell will get the value Tuesday and next one Wednesday and so on. Similarly, if you enter the value January, it will be the following cell will get the value February, March, April and so on. Now I move to the copy and paste. So what is copy and paste? It helps us to create a duplicate set of data in target cell or in a range of cell. So from the source cell. So when you have a source cell or source range of cells, you collect the data and that data is duplicated in a target cell or in a range of target cells. Now our next question is editing. So when you edit, what you do, you make changes. So the answer is editing means making changes in a cell or worksheet is called editing. So we are going to look at the long questions. Question number 1, give two difference between cut, paste and copy paste. So when we look at the cut paste, what happens? It creates the duplicate copy of the same information from the source location to the target location. Whereas if you look at the copy and paste, it creates a copy but removing the original data from the source location. So it removes the data from the source location and create the copy into the target location. So it is not a duplicate copy, it's just a copy but removing the data from the original location. This is the first difference. And of course the key combination is different. One is control and X to cut, another is control and C to copy. This is one more difference is there. Apart from that, and copying the data always is we can get a multiple copies of the informations, whereas in the case of cut and paste we get a single copy of the information. Next question, write down all the steps. Now, number A, to select a row in a worksheet. So, how to select? First, set the cell pointer at the adjacent cell to which you want to insert a new row. So, when you want to insert a new row, at the adjacent of that, you have to select the place. Okay, that is what exactly is the answer of A. Now, we move to the answer of B, to insert a column in a worksheet. So this is having 3-4 steps. Let's write down. Set the cell pointer above the column you want to select. Click on Insert in the cell group of Home tab and then select Insert Column. That is how we insert the column. Same way, question number C, to delete a row in a worksheet. Set the cell pointer adjacent to the row you want to select, then click on delete option in the cell group of Home tab. It will delete the row. Next, question number D, to set a row height in a worksheet. You want to set a row height, so same way, set the cell pointer adjacent to the row you want to select and then click on format option in the group of in the cell group of Home tab and then select the row height. Next question, to hide the rows in a workbook, same option. Set the cell pointer adjacent to the row you want to select. Click on Format in the cell group of Home tab. Then select Hide rows in the workbook. Thank you.